Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the nature of business, that is characteristic of business. The following are the main characteristic of business. First, an economic activity. Business is considered as economic activities in undertaken with the objective of aim earning money, livelihood, not for psychological satisfaction. Second point, productions or procurement of goods and services. Every business enterprises produce or producer goods or services. From producer goods may be considered of consumer industrial goods or service may include transportation, banking, and insurance. Now, sale and or exchange of goods and services for the satisfactions of human needs. A business involves sale or exchange of goods or services. The production of goods and services self-consumption is not a business. A farmer cultivating crop for himself and his family consumption only is not doing business. But the farmer who is cultivating crop for sale involved in business activities. Buying goods to give to someone else is not a business, but buying goods are for resale in business. So there must be a sale exchange of goods and services in a business. Dealing in goods and services on regular basis. Another important feature of business is that it must be sell or exchange goods services on a regular basis. Buying and selling of goods and services once or twice is not a business. One single transaction of sale does not constable, but if a person sell his house to buy a new house, is does not doing a business. But if person buy or sell his house on regular basis is uncommissioned, then it will be considered as business. Next, profit earning. The main purpose of business is earning profit. If profit motive is missing in the transaction, then it cannot be considered as business transaction. Uncertainty and return and risk. Another important features of business is the presence of the risk factor in the transactions. There is always a possibility of loss. It is not the that the take taste may be changed. There may be a stake in businessman own factory, etc. And there are three type of business objective, that is economic objective, social objective, and the human and visible objective. In the economic objective, the business is economic activities most important objective of business. Under economics objective, the survival, the basic purpose every organization is to survival. Exit in the competition market is for long period of time. It is a possible when it is able to cover its all the cost and the earned profit. Next, profit. It is important objective of every organization to earning profit, educate amount of profit. Profit is initial for survival, growth, expenses of business. Profit is a reward given to businessmen for being risk. Next, growth. Business organization must be grow, expand their activities. The success of organization measured by the growth rate, and growth is measured in the terms of number of branches, number of product, number of employee, etc. Next, social objective. Supply of desired quality of product. Customer prefer to buy the product only there are satisfactory quality or only at a reasonable price. Today, customer quality consists customer unexpected value for the money. Next, avoidance of unfair trade practice. Anti-social or unfair trade practice include black marketing, adultness, holding, overcharging, exaggeration in the advertisement about the uses of product is also unfair trade practice. Employment generation. Employment is major problem for every society. In businessmen must create employment opportunity, help in overcoming this problem for developing countries. The business employ people to perform the different type of work. By employing people at work, businessmen help in flow of income in the society while creating employment opportunity. Businessmen must give respect consideration in handicapped, disabled, and poor people. Next, social service. Legal. Large business households undertaken various projects of community service such as running charitable dispensary, school, hospital, etc. Avoidance of population industrialization led the major problem of populations industrial through the drain their waste like rivers which pollute the water. So there is a avoidance of pollutions also. Next, thank you.